So we got a new jacket, and I'm a big fan of leather jackets, and we've gotten a few jackets that are like lambskin. Another one, but these guys have I find a bunch of nice varieties, variants of jackets, and one of the kinds of jackets that I wanted was something that looked a little different. Also, looked a little more distressed, I thought. So this is a company called FanJackets. Now I don't know where they're out of by any means, but it came ridiculously fast. This was sent to us, of course, but I had to I put the order in. I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday of last week, and today is Wednesday of this week, and it's here. So anyways, this is it. 12 ratings, 5 stars, $189 US, which is pretty good for a jacket. If you look at this jacket, 100% real lambskin leather, soft polyester lining, zipper closure, 4 outside pockets, 2 inside, upright collar, shoulder, I don't know what that means, epaulets, and button cuffs. Color is rub off. So I thought that's a cool looking jacket, a little different. Now realize the collar here was hard to see in the pictures. Maybe this is what this, I know this is the epaulets, but this is like it's not leather, it's some kind of material. But it's all right. It's what's up against your neck, so it's soft, which would be kind of cool. Yes, I know it's soft because I looked at the jacket already. Anyways, just for you guys that want to see, if you actually go to their actual website, FanJackets, so fanjackets.com, oh, look, you can get a special discount. They have, as you can see, best sellers. So they have women's jackets, men's jackets. So if you looked at, for instance, men's jackets, because there's like tons of them and different colors, white, brown, black, blue, you know, different kinds of brown. If I wanted a brown kind of distressed jacket, probably more options. Just kind of military green, but lots of options to choose from, lots of styles, lots of colors, and they all kind of come in that $190, at least right now, that $190 price range, so not bad at all. So anyways, they do have a size guide right here, as you can see. Enjoy fast and free shipping. That I can attest to. 30 days for a return if you want, and competitive prices. So, yeah, very good. I actually sent them my measurements, so chest, belly, waist, and they sent me a 2XL. I think it was 2XL. So this is it here. I'm gonna grab the box 1 sec. Anyways, this is it. Experience the luxury. Yeah, and environmental friendly packing. Cool. And made to last if you feel like doing some hashtagging on your socials, if you're that kind of person. Now it comes wrapped when you get it out of the box, like a recycled paper wrap. It's not there anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna back up a little bit. That's all right. That's nice, hey? I like it, and it's not quite as distressed a look as I was looking for, but it's close. It's definitely closer than any of the other jackets that they have. Zipper wise, it's not, is it running? I can't tell. It looks like YKK zippers. So you gotta be pleased with that. You know, that's a good quality zipper. YKK. And let's just undo this. And as you can see, I'm gonna back up a little bit. You may be able to hear me, you maybe not. I'm gonna be too tall, doesn't matter. And again, as always, looks fantastic with shorts. Yes? Oh yes. Okay. Come on, fits beautifully. Wait, so I'm gonna just walk up to you, slide up to you, because it's, see the collar? This is what I'm talking about. So it's got that leather on the outside, but on the inside it's got this just material and this thing, which is not something that you're gonna want to keep on. But you got the little straps at the button, which is nice. Same thing here. This is, I guess it's cool to make sure that your zipper doesn't pop open. It's a little bit of a pain, but that's the style I chose, so that's the life I have to lead. But you open that up. There's a little pocket. It's not super deep, but again, other styles if you're like, nope, that's not for me. I get it. Super soft, right? It's a lambskin, so soft. Now they call these a lot of their jackets are, and I like the fact that they say biker style. Yes, this is going to give you more protection, of course, than just wearing a t-shirt. But if you want to actually get an actual motorcycle jacket, you're probably going to look at something like cowhide, right? But another pocket here. This one's a little deeper, so that one's a little bigger than this one for sure. And then, of course, you have your two pockets down hither, which is excellent. The distressing, or the rub off, I guess they call it. Sounds weird to say rubbed off. If I was got my jacket in, it rubbed me off. No. The distress is kind of in the seams, but still nice. You can definitely see it in this area. And if you open up, of course, you're going to have a pocket on the inside. So you got a pocket. This one has a pocket here, and I'm guessing no pockets on this side because that would be the two. So perfect for a cell phone. Perfect for anything else, right? You could fit. I could probably fit a keyboard. Yep, I can fit a keyboard in there. You barely even know. So, it's almost keyboard size. That's cool. Anyways, if you want to see the backs, there's the back, and do that. I'll does it up for you folks, because come on now, that's nice. I like it, and the different styles are very cool. Is that the one I got there? Rub off, yeah, that's the rub off there, which is nice. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of different styles, and they have them, like I said, like for the lady folk as well. They do have these different buttons on the cuffs, so 2 levels of putting them together depending on how big or how loose you want your cuffs. The buttons are big on this one. So you know, the bonus is once the button is done up, it's not going to easily come off. The downfall is when you want to switch it, it's a little bit more work. But again, the leather's new, and my guess would be that'll soften over time. That's my guess. Anyways, there you go. That's better for me. I like that little bit snugger on the cuff because that's a little loose. Not so loose. Can I still get my hand through it? Yeah. So that's where that's staying. Yeah, I like it. And it doesn't have like my other ones that I all have like little padding in the shoulder. I like that this one's a little more natural. It's my luck. What do you think? Zoolander? I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, FanJackets. I'm a fan. And if you're looking for something, $190 for a leather jacket, brand new. That's not horrible at all. I will put links down below if you guys are interested. And that's it. What do you think? Nice? It's nice. Alright guys, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I will see you guys next video. Later.